Guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Blumat automatic classic watering system that you would have gotten in your Plant Club subscription box. There's a little brief setup that you can do to help it work at its optimal capacity. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let's first talk about why you'd want to use these. For specific plants like cacti, you probably wouldn't use them because you know the watering needs of a cactus is quite low, and you would only water it every now and again. Whereas a fern, you might sometimes not know when to water it, you might not remember always when to water it. Same with caletheas, you don't want to overwater them, you don't want to underwater them. You kind of want them to do their own thing and to automatically water themselves. If only all plants could do that. So that's why you're going to be using this. The plant is going to self-regulate how much water it needs. So what you do with this is you unwind the suction cable and you open up the green top. There you go, and it's got a little cave in there, and this is a clay cone. What you do is you just want to first put it in some water and just let it soak there for 15 minutes. Once it's soaked for 15 minutes, make sure that there's water in its little cave. Close it up. There we go, closing it up nicely. Then you want to put this in the plant and you want to make sure that the entire cone is in the soil. Right, there we go, put it in. And then you just basically put the suction cable in a nice glass jar. Here I've got it in this one. And you just pop that next to or behind the plant. And what happens is, what happens now is that this plant will self-regulate its watering needs. Great. The only thing you need to do now is when you see the water level dipping down below the suction cube, you just fill the water back up. And that's that. Nice and simple. If you're using one, if you have used one, let me know how it's been, let me know how it goes. And thank you so much for watching.